Hi everyone, welcome back to M&M. In this video, I will be showing you how to make this super simple pouch that you can make in under 10 minutes. So let's get into it. Alright, I am using this faux leather fabric, and all I'm doing is taking a piece of triangle and drawing an outline. Now, if you don't have a triangular item, then you can just trace it on a piece of paper and then cut it out and use that. So I'm going to draw one triangle, flip it over on its side, draw the second one, flip it over again, and draw the third one. So we're going to need 3 combined triangles. And then we're just going to cut the 3 triangles out. Do not separate them, they will stay together. Okay, once you have your triangles, you're going to take one corner, which is the first triangle, and then fold it onto the second one. You can simply sew a line down the side, but I am using what is called a blanket stitch, which actually makes it look a little bit nicer. We're going to start in the middle, in between the 2 fabrics, poke it through one side, and then go over the top and come back again to the front. But don't completely pull it forward. We're going to use that hook to put our needle through and then pull the thread up. So we're going to poke from the back, forward, and then before you completely pull it forward, we're going to put our needle through the hoop and pull it up. So that's the blanket stitch, and that's what it looks like. As you can see, it looks neater, it's more secure. Alright, the next part is super easy. All you're going to need is either a hair tie or some sort of a string. I am using a hair tie, and I'm also using this little charm that I have on hand, but that's just an accessory, you don't need it at all. So I'm just going to cut my hair tie and pull it through my charm, and I'm going to take my pouch and create a little cut at the top of the triangle, like so, and then I'm going to put my hair tie through and tie a knot on the inside. Now you can stop here and start using your pouch right away, because all you need is that little tie to work as a hook and hook it around the bottom. But I want it to be more secure, so I am going to fold the top corner of the pouch over the hair tie, and then I'm going to sew a few stitches. And then I'm going to fold it again one more time so that the hair tie comes out at the end, and then I'm going to stitch over the hair tie one more time. And this just makes me feel better so that when I pull on the hair tie, it's not going to come off. So that's it for the pouch. I think that took just a few minutes, super easy to make. You just want to use a very sturdy fabric, or as sturdy as you can go. And I'm just using it to hold my earphones. I think it looks super cute. Very easy to use, and that's it. So I hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.